Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the applications of IoT in a smart city. But before that, we need to understand what exactly IoT is. IoT is Internet of Things. IoT is a pretty simple concept. It means all the things in the world and connected to them through the internet. When asked on the Google, it refers that IoT is a rapidly growing network of connected objects that are able to collect and exchange a data in a real time using immediate system. There are many applications and challenges in the field of IoT. Let me discuss the applications of IoT in a smart city. But before that, let us know what exactly a smart city is. There is no universally accepted definition of a smart city. It means different things to different people. It varies from city to city, country to country, level of development, and willingness to change. It provides healthy and decent lifestyle for citizens using smart solutions. Earlier, the cities were considered as the byproduct of industrialization, but in today's world, they are considered as the nodes for economic growth. Following are the major sectors in the smart cities which can implement for the development of a smart city. It includes waste management, street lighting, smart meters and billing, public transport. We will discuss them one by one. Waste management. The dustbins are either overflow or not present at all. To counter this problem, IoT smart solutions helps in optimizing waste collection schedule, tracking a waste level, as well as route optimization and operational analytics. Various sensors can be installed for providing the status of a waste level. By implementing the GPS enabled trucks, we can reduce the pollutions and improve efficiency in a real time. Smart parking. Searching for an empty park can be very hectic and gain a lot of time with excess fuel consumption. With the help of GPS data, smart parking solution determines whether the parking slot is occupied or available. It also creates the real-time parking map. When the nearest parking slot is available, driver receives a notification and it is quite easier than the blindly driving around it. It also helps in easy payment option for the parking fare. Smart street light. The street light uses excessive amount of energy, but smart lighting solution equips the street light with LEDs and sensors which detect the movement of people and vehicles and work accordingly. It also detects the malfunctioning of light and send notification to the service station. Smart traffic light. Smart traffic light ensure the smooth flow of a traffic and it also reduces the conjunctions on the road. It uses data from the IoT sensors, cameras, vehicles, and other devices to know the patterns of traffic at the intersection. It also gives preference to the fire brigades and ambulance. It also detects the overspeeding vehicles and camera detects the registration number. Public transport. The data from IoT sensors can be used to know the patterns of public transport, and it can be used to enhance the higher level of safety and traveling experience. A smart public transport system choose a map of details bus and road with a fare details and number of vacancies. Smart meters and billing. Smart meters measures the uses of electricity and gas like a traditional meters, but unlike a traditional meter, it sends the reading to the supplier automatically, and it also monitors the electricity consumption. The smart meters also can be connected to our mobile phone so that we can easily track our electricity usage. Some of the key some of the key smart city technologies relevant for the smart city includes the video surveillance camera and monitoring, 24/7 emergency helpline number, and emergency and disaster management. With the integration of a smart citizen in these services with a safety and security infrastructure, the city will be able to ensure the sustainability and social economic growth. The image related to the smart city. Thank you. Thanks for watching.